Detail engineering survey services are essential for the successful planning and execution of various projects. One such company that offers reliable and accurate detail engineering survey services is Ram Puri. With their expertise in the field, Ram Puri provides comprehensive surveying solutions that cater to the unique requirements of different projects. Their team of skilled professionals utilizes advanced technologies and equipment to ensure precise measurements and data collection. By employing the latest surveying techniques, Ram Puri is able to deliver high-quality results, helping clients make informed decisions and achieve their project goals. Ram Puri specializes in detail engineering survey services, providing a wide range of solutions tailored to the specific needs of different industries. Whether it is a construction project, infrastructure development, or land surveying, their team has the knowledge and experience to handle various types of projects. They understand the importance of accuracy and reliability in surveying, and therefore, employ stringent quality control measures to ensure that the data collected is precise and error-free. One of the key advantages of choosing Ram Puri for detail engineering survey services is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They work closely with clients to understand their requirements and provide customized solutions that meet their specific needs. By maintaining open communication channels throughout the project, they ensure that clients are updated on the progress and any potential challenges that may arise. This proactive approach helps in mitigating risks and ensuring smooth execution of the project. The use of state-of-the-art technology sets Ram Puri apart from its competitors in the field of detail engineering survey services. They leverage advanced tools such as DGPS, laser scanners, and drones to gather accurate data efficiently. Services for detailed engineering surveys are necessary for the effective planning and completion of many projects. Ram Puri is one such business that provides trustworthy and precise detail engineering survey services. Ram Puri offers complete surveying solutions that are tailored to the specific needs of various projects, thanks to their in-depth knowledge of the industry. To ensure accurate measurements and data collecting, their team of qualified experts uses cutting-edge tools and technology. Ram Puri is able to provide clients with high-quality findings by using the most recent surveying methodologies, assisting them in making informed decisions and completing their projects. Ram Puri is an expert in detail engineering survey services, offering a variety of options that are especially suited to the demands of various sectors. Their crew is qualified and experienced to manage a variety of projects, including land surveys, infrastructure development, and construction. Since they are aware of how crucial accuracy and dependability are while conducting surveys, they take careful quality control methods to guarantee that the information gathered is accurate and error-free. The fact that Ram Puri is